friends, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Cricut video. Today we're using our Cricut to make this really cute birthday cupcake card. There's the outside, then we have the inside as well. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are with the computer. I'm already logged in at Cricut Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. Right below where it says recommended for you, we're going to click on the birthday category. And then the card we're making is this one right here, this cupcake card. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on customize. We are going to customize this a little bit. All right, so we have the envelope and then we have the card base. What I want to do is make a banner that goes across the cupcake liner piece here that says happy birthday. So left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on images. I'm going to type in banner and click on enter. And the one I chose is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then go to the bottom right and choose add to canvas. Now I'm going to resize it to where it's going to fit across to that cupcake. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to right click on that and choose ungroup to separate the two layers. So we have the solid piece here, and then this piece is only a frame. So I want to have the solid piece inside that. So have that piece selected. Bottom right hand corner, click on contour and then just click on the center piece. Then close it out. So now we have the solid piece here. I'm also going to change that and make that be a white color. All right, so now we have the envelope. I'm going to right click on that and choose ungroup to separate its layers. So we have the envelope itself, then we have the envelope liner that's going to go behind there. And you'll see that brown piece is going to fill in the bottom of the cupcake here. The white piece is going to fill in the cupcake there. So those pieces are good. Right click on your card, choose ungroup. I'm going to separate those layers as well. So we have the cupcake liner. Then we have the cupcake piece here, then we have the card base, then we have this piece here. I'm going to right click on that and choose bring to front. This is for the inside of the card. You can see it fits in there nicely. I'm going to right click on that and choose duplicate, so I want one for the inside that I can make white. I'm going to do that, change the color, make that be white. I'm also going to add text to that. Then this piece I'm going to cut out in pattern paper to go on the front of my card. All right, to add text, let's go to our left hand side toolbar, click on T for text. And we're going to type in happy birthday. I'm going to go to the very top toolbar. You'll see it says font. And then you go to the right, it says style. Click on the down arrow and then change that to writing. I want to make this be small enough to where it's going to fit inside this white banner piece here. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight both pieces, the box and the text. Go to the top toolbar, I'm going to choose align, second one down, center horizontally. I could probably go a tad bit smaller on that text. So again, I'm going to highlight both, align center. All right, much better. Now I'm going to highlight both again, right click on that and choose attach. So Cricut's going to cut that shape out. Then we're going to use the Cricut pens or markers to draw on or write on the words happy birthday. I'm going to go back to my left hand side toolbar again and click on the other text box. In this one, I'm going to type in, hope your day is as sweet as you. That's going to go on the inside. So make this be smaller, bring it down here. And again, I'm going to highlight both pieces. Top toolbar, choose align, and I'm going to center horizontally. That way I know it's centered in the left to right. Highlight both again, right click, and then choose attach. All right, so we have the card base. This piece will cut out pattern paper to go on the front. We have our sentiment for the inside. We have these two pieces here that will go on the front of the cupcake, and then we have the cupcake or the envelope liner and the envelope. All right, upper right hand corner, choose make it. All right, so this one is a white piece, and you can do this on 8.5 by 11. And again, you'll need the Cricut marker to do this. Then we have the banner piece, the cupcake, the envelope, the card base, the envelope liner, the pattern paper. Now if you want to have this be on a different mat, click on the piece, choose the 3 circles, choose move object. You can just put it on a new mat, pick a color you want. We'll do that one, choose confirm. So now that's on its own mat. So we know that piece is pattern paper. All right, then we have those pieces there, the cupcake liner, and then the top piece for the cupcake liner. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card and envelope together. All right, everything is cut out. We're first going to assemble the envelope. So I'm going to get them fold on all those score marks. Normally I don't cut the envelopes out. I would just use a regular envelope, but I thought I would do it this one because it does have that cutout there. All right, take your bone folder and give all that a nice crease. Then we have this piece and this piece. This is our cup or our liner for the envelope. Alright, so what you want to do first is put the white piece over the actual cupcake. That'll act like the frosting. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my art glitter glue. And I'm going to put glue just on the lines of that cupcake piece and a little bit around it, not a whole lot. Okay, and then put our white piece on there, like that. And then this is going to cover that up. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to actually use my ATG for this one. I did have my husband load it for me. Alright, so I only put ATG or my glue on this piece because I want to line this up with the fold of the envelope. Okay, so now we have our envelope liner in there. Now you can leave this hanging down. I am going to glue it though, but I want to make sure I don't put glue on this cutout piece. I'm just going to go ahead right around that and then go around the edges. Okay. Nope, you don't need to go all the way to the edge. Okay. So when you're gluing that on, don't go all the way to the edge like I did. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put this down. And put this down. Now you can see we only want to put glue on the flap here. Just a little line of glue there and along here. Just give it a few seconds. I'm also going to bring this piece down and kind of work that fold down. Okay, that's what the envelope will look like. Isn't that cute? How it has a little cutout? All right, so there's the envelope. Now we have the card. I'm going to fold on this. All right, so what I did is I have a piece of pattern paper. That's going to go on the front like that. I just chose like a neutral color paper here. All right, that's going to go like that on the front. Isn't that cute? All right, now we have the inside piece. This is where our greeting is. And you can just cut this out with white and not worry about using a marker. But I think the Cricut has way better handwriting than I do, so I thought I would use it. All right, so we have the card base done. Now we have the actual cupcake pieces. All right, so we have this one, then we have this one. All right, I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap paper here. And I'm just going to kind of dot this just around. Not really worried about getting full coverage on it. Okay, I'm going to dip it in my, or not dip, dab off on my scrap paper. And then line this up. Okay, so we have that one. All right, that's going to go on our card like this. Then we have this. I'm going to do the same thing. Put some glue on this one. And just kind of around it, a thin layer. And then I'm going to dab it off again. All right, and then put this one on here. I'm going to line up the top first. And then kind of work my sides in. There we go. How cute is that? All right, we're going to pop these two pieces up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some foam squares. I got these ones from Amazon. Not a fan of these ones. They come in like this big sheet, but it's actually two of them, or together, so I had to cut them all to pieces. They are sticky though. All right, that's going to go down here like that. We're going to pop this one up as well. Now if you want to, you can always use a wink of cellophane on that, or just like a glittery kind of cardstock to add some shine to the frosting layer of our cupcake. Okay, give them a squish. Take the backing off of this one. Alright, I'm going to put that right up here like that. And I'm putting it kind of behind the cupcake liner a little bit. There we go. Isn't that cute? Alright, now we just have this piece. I'm not going to pop this piece up, otherwise it'll be too thick. And again, you don't have to do this piece. I just thought it needed a greeting on it. And with the cupcake being so large, it wouldn't leave me enough room for a stamp. So why not create a little banner, right? Alright, we're going to lay this right on top of that. Like that. So there's the card, completely finished, right? Greeting on the outside, greeting on the inside, and an envelope. Now whenever I'm putting anything in an envelope, whether it be this kind or the regular envelopes, I always put I address the envelope first, then I put the part that has the dimension in the envelope first, that way it doesn't get stuck when the person's pulling it in and out. But that fits in there nicely. Close it up. Oh, hang on. There we go. Close it up. There we go, and mail it to a friend. Alright, so I do have a card kit for you. I include everything I use to make this. I also give you a blank, well, I give you the one that says happy birthday, but I also give you a blank piece. I gave you this one with the greeting on. I also give you a blank piece as this one, so if you want to personalize it, you know, maybe happy anniversary or whatever it may be, you can do that. Alright, so here is the card kit. To win the card kit, just leave me a comment with a cupcake or a cake emoji, and I'll pick a winner this coming Sunday. So whenever you enter my card kits, make sure you watch this coming Sunday's video to see if you won. I just did one this past Sunday, which was yesterday, so if you entered any of last week's, make sure you watch yesterday's video to see if you won. And I will also include this card here as well. Alright, so my friends, that is it. Super quick little cupcake card using the Cricut. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.